So now, from the banks of the Shannon, we're not sure which side, it's Lucy Shanahan.
The boy I had a crush on in primary school used to call me Lucy Shannon River. We're not together. So, yeah, as a lot of people have said, the music course it's really special. It's actually made a huge impact on my life. This is the first time I've played guitar and sang in front of more than 7 people. So, yeah, it's a song that's by Lisa O'Neill. Do you know Lisa O'Neill? Yeah, she's class, isn't she? Oh, she's so great. So this is from her album last year. And I really like singing songs about birds for some reason. But this one's about birds, but it's also about human nature. So I hope you enjoy it.
The peacock is a stunning bird. His song is iridescent, and we tap into other worlds while in the peacock's presence. Birdie from another realm enlightens me with color. Birdie from another realm, his song is like no other. The cuckoo is a pretty bird, but cunning and I'm wary. I nurse her sadness, not my own. Still I nurse her dearly. And once you know, you'll always know. She doesn't sing sincerely. The cuckoo sings a cuckoo song, the same song she sings yearly. It's a loud hum out in the wash, you know, said the green-eyed